Welcome to another episode on Trick Factory Customs. That's one of our new projects, a 1993 Mercedes 190E, and we're fitting it with an Evolution 1 wide-body kit. We're also doing a Mercedes M113 swap from an SL55 AMG. If you want to find out more info on all the work we're going to be doing to this car, check out our previous video where Tim goes over more details on the swap and the wide-body kit. In this video, we're working on fitting the EVO 1 wide-body kit to the 190, so let's check out what the guys are up to.
My name is Spencer. I'm a body tech here at Trick Factory Customs. Right now we're spending a lot of time making sure the kit's fitting perfect. It's a lot of work. Even though this kit's already pretty good, we're just going in there to make it perfect, and I think that's just what the difference is with what we do here. Spending a lot of time fine-tuning it. A lot of people can probably just bolt this kit on, but I mean, we're pretty much going through every panel, making sure that it's just 100%. We're blocking in the body lines here. We're using the original door moldings, and being an aftermarket kit, the lines, nothing is ever perfect. So we're going in there, making sure that everything is square and lined up.
Hey there, my name is Brett, and I work here at Trick Factory Customs. Basically, I'm working on the rear wheel wells right now for the body kit, because it's now a wide body, so we had to remove the whole outer wheel well and basically making new ones, starting from tape templates into cardboard and then into steel. This is still roughed in. Still got a bunch of trimming and fitting to do and shaping. And so this side here is the driver's side that I've already got roughed in and tacked in place. I have all the clearancing and metal shaped all the areas where the bolts will be revealed for the back side of the body kit flare. Work on it from section to section, tacking it all in place, making sure it all fits before we final weld it up. Here, we've got every 4 inches, got a spot weld all the way around this lip with a 3/4 inch flange. And then this side here is just gonna be a joint weld, just a corner weld on this end.
Sick. Gonna be burners by Sunday?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not, he says.
Well, I mean, we could.
On some Sunday.
It still runs.
But you guys are coming along pretty good, so once you guys are done, get it into primer, and then we'll work on getting that SL55 engine in here.
The rear bumper, we made a custom bracket just so we can use factory mounting points on the car. There was an original molding there, but on the aftermarket kit it comes as one piece. So in order just to make sure that it fits nice, we had a custom fabricated bracket with threaded inserts just so we're not cutting into the car that much. And this will still be serviceable easily. On the side of the rear bumper here, we have an extension that follows with the wide body flare in the back. And this extension piece that we actually bonded to the bumper just to make sure that, you know, it looks perfect. And we even fiberglassed the inside, reinforced it, just for that that extra step to make sure everything is just to perfection, I guess. Putting in these threaded inserts for the flare. I'm adding extra ones actually, just to make sure everything fits snug. The factory ones, I don't know. Just never rely on factory stuff, especially if it's aftermarket.
probably at least 3.5, 4 inches almost of the actual quarter panel. And then it just extends out this much. It's crazy because it's a lot of material this way, like height. So I think it's designed so the suspension has more travel. Like like this, because this era of like DTM car.
Well, we're gonna try to mount up this wing here. So we're just gonna lay it out, find the holes, and drill right into the trunk rope. Kind of just marking the edge of this base, right? So once I find the center hole, I'm gonna take it off, cut out the hole, and then I'll have this kind of like this edge that I'm gonna line up onto the base. With the holes cut out, should be exactly where these holes are gonna be translated into the trunk lid. So.
Yeah, I got small holes on it.
Yeah. Just use the really steep step drill.
Oh yeah, step it, yeah.
It's not snap on.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it actually works.
I'm gonna have to ask you. I'm putting you on probation until you get your lights sorted out.
Using flea market heating tools. Started to go for $1 a day.
For just $1 a day, you can help Spencer get a snap-on drill.
Yeah.
Good job. Yours is probably better.
You know, it's not bad, considering I paid nothing for it actually.
You got a parking lot of McDonald's. Like, hey, you
Yeah.
want to buy a drill?
I said, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Like that
That
guy,
will support your criminal.
the junk tool man. That guy
Yeah.
that will buy.
Come on into the back of the
We had a
van.
guy pull up in a super janky van.
I was there.
Yeah, you were
Yeah,
there.
I was
He
only.
came on it with me.
I couldn't even believe that. I can appreciate his hustle though.
Like, yeah.
It's a little scary going on there.
I think he just needs to work on the fucking presentation.
Yeah, the presentation is pretty neat. Get the wang.
Okay, hold on. I got this.
What is this?
Come on, man.
Oh my
Like that.
god.
But it works. Oh, it works. Mint,
Look at
actually.
this. Like $300 worth of tools to try to save $14.
Poor man.
Four.
Not poor. No. There's a difference.
There's different.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. That depends on
Another one. You just don't. Are you buying it?
Yeah.
Well, this isn't that bad.
No, that's this.
This one we can tighten down more. Look at the gap. It's gonna take you 8 minutes to put that combination back together.
I don't understand why a regular socket will work. Oh, because the hole's not in
in
this.
the right spot.
Come on, Brad. That's why we said, man.
Well, if you drill the hole in the right place, fine.
Maybe you should.
Look how quick they turned on you.
Yeah. Hey, what?
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Also, if you want to check out more projects we're working on, follow us on all our social media channels, which are linked below. And tune in next week for more episodes of the 190 EVO Widebody and more amazing builds. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.